Ride some 4-wheelers and go bowling when I ain't in the stoop. That smoke on down, whoever throw, I never pick and choose. I'm 5'7", I walked in, she spending 5'2". She asked me what I like to do, I told her, how about shoot? Hey, how about shoot? How about in shoot? Funny how you like the man, now I'm feeling you. We hop out and shoot. We hop out and shoot. Popping out the swing and bitches out, they saying us. A lot of these niggas spending now. Ain't tell no lie when I say we popping out. Head up on sight, I see I'm getting rocking out. Tryna call you bitches sleeping, son. I had to chill a fucking year before I knocked them out. The dad ain't even seen it coming. Tripping like last Sunday. I just took all with a chicken like last Monday. I'm trying to change, but sometimes I look like I'm running from it. I like a knock, but once I get on another woman. I went oranges on the dome, I got the butter fluent. Once a nigga call out smoke, I'm coming running to it. I ain't gonna lie, you make me feel good on the murder song. I told her, shout it, you probably never going home. I told Boots, I called a few bodies looking up to you. I told Plaza, every time you rap this shit, I wasn't gonna do it. We probably beat, but we a G, that mean we tired, alright? I walk from GA, stole the car coming from Power Heights. Sometimes we fight, but when it's war, we come together though. We come together. We hop out and we shoot, we go there with whoever, so we go wherever. It's whatever. Say, ride the 4-wheelers and go bowling when I ain't in the stool. That smoke go down, whoever throw, I never pick and choose. I'm 5'7", I'm out there, she standing 5'2". She asked me what I like to do, I told her, how about shoot? How about in shoot? How about shoot? How about in shoot? And how about you? But what you and your friends do? How about shoot? How about shoot? We love running the gun. When I find the CPD, you know, duck that on. As soon as Shawty took me back when running gang tour. She said she'll give me a chance and move like a lane door. These niggas always keep calling like they need son. My older bitch keep cooking for me, cleaning for me. Walking down, hunting around, fill it with a switch. Bullet shooting quick, we back down and the niggas come around this bitch. Everybody say they demon time, but I move with grace. I'm a righteous reaper, a good nigga, but I eat your face. I was on 20 perks before the end of the day. Straight up, nigga, turned his back on my left from on his face. What made me get in your highs and wake up in your place? This the longest I've been out and I ain't catch a case. I know I'm never finna go back. The pain and suffer and sharing a cell with a nigga and they have to smell each other. I'm wiping a whole generation out about my brother. A nigga wanted to bring the craze out and try my brother. Yeah, how about you? Hey, bro, go get him. Hey, yeah, how about you? Hey, bro, go get him. Hey, yo. How about to shoot? I'm ready to go get him. I'm ready to go get him. How about to shoot? I'm ready to go get him. I'm ready to go get him. Say, how about to shoot? I'm ready to go get him. I'm ready to go get him. How about to shoot? I'm ready to go get him. Yeah.